now we speak to Father Sky and Mother Earth. Father Sky and Mother Earth, creator and nurturer of all life, we express heartfelt gratitude for the moment that brought Stacy and Adam together in marriage. Now, as you, Adam, and as you, Stacy, have consented together in matrimony and have been joined by Earth and have pledged your faith in each other by the giving and the receiving of these rings before your family and the immortal Elvis. According to the powers vested in me by the state of Nevada, I now pronounce that you are husband and wife. You may seal your union with a kiss.
Thank you.
Wise men say only fools rush in. Oh, I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, everyone sing. Can't help falling in love with you. Yeah!
Set my soul, gonna set my soul on fire.
Got a whole lot of money that's ready to burn. Get those stakes up high. There's a mountain ready way down there. There's a devil may care. I'm just a devil with love and just everybody now. Viva Las Vegas, come on, hear it. Viva